What is Cardano, ADA, and how does it work? Even if you're new to the world of cryptocurrencies, most people are familiar with the terms Bitcoin and Ethereum. But now, cryptocurrency experts all around the world are buzzing about Cardano, a lesser-known cryptocurrency that has been dubbed the one to watch out for. In August of this year, Cardano, with its native virtual currency, ADA, became the world's third-largest cryptocurrency, and it appears that things are only going better for Cardano. Let's take a closer look at Cardano, its technology, and why it's such popular and compelling. Now, if you don't want to miss our videos, do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new one. Let's get started. What is Cardano? Cardano is a decentralized proof-of-stake blockchain platform that was created as a more efficient alternative to proof-of-work networks. Scalability, interoperability, and sustainability on proof-of-work networks like Ethereum are limited by the infrastructure burden of growing costs, energy use, and slow transaction times. Understanding the significance of these problems to blockchain networks, Charles Hoskinson, co-founder of the proof-of-work blockchain Ethereum, began developing Cardano and its native cryptocurrency, ADA, unveiling the platform in 2015 and the ADA token in 2017. How does it work? The Cardano blockchain is made up of two main parts. One, the Cardano settlement layer, CSL, serves as a unit of account, allowing token holders to transfer and receive ADA instantly and with low transaction costs. 2. The Cardano computational layer, CCL, is a set of protocols that serve as the blockchain's backbone, allowing smart contracts to execute, security and compliance to be ensured, and other advanced functionalities like blacklisting and identity recognition to be implemented. Haskell, a well-recognized and secure programming language, is used to create the Cardano open-source code. Cardano relies on the Ouroboros consensus process, which is a specially designed and developed proof-of-stake blockchain technology. This consensus method ensures that ADA may be transferred and received quickly and securely, as well as the security of smart contracts on the Cardano blockchain. At the same time, Ouroboros compensates and rewards token holders who risk their ADA to the network and assists secure network consensus as a proof-of-stake consensus method. The Ouroboros process goes like this. The network randomly chooses a few nodes at random to have the opportunity to mine new blocks. These nodes are known as slot leaders. The blockchain is divided into slots, each referred to as an epoch. Slot leaders can mine their epoch or a subpartition of an epoch. Anyone who assists in the mining of an epoch or a portion of an epoch is rewarded for their efforts. An epoch can have an unlimited number of partitions. As a result, the Cardano blockchain is theoretically indefinitely scalable, allowing it to process as many transactions as needed without experiencing a bottleneck. The most significant advantage of Ouroboros is its mathematical security when it comes to selecting blockchain validators. Other blockchains claim to select block validators at random. However, these assertions are unverified. Ouroboros, on the other hand, provides a proven method for selecting a validator at random, ensuring that all token holders that stake ADA to the Cardano blockchain have an equal chance of mining a block and earning the accompanying reward. This eliminates the need for unnecessary processing power, which is common in proof-of-work blockchain networks, and ensures an objectively fair staking model that no other proof-of-stake blockchain protocol can match. How to use Cardano? The Cardano coin may be used in the same way that cash is now used to transfer value. This is similar to other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Bitcoin, but ADA has additional applications. Cardano's proof-of-stake blockchain protocol, in which ADA is staked to the blockchain to assist stake pool operators in successfully verifying transactions on the blockchain, is one of its core principles. This is where the Cardano cryptocurrency comes in. Those that stake their ADA on the blockchain are rewarded with extra Cardano cryptocurrency in return for their efforts. This staking method contributes to the blockchain's overall security. In addition, ADA is used in voting. Unlike other blockchain projects, Cardano token holders vote and decide on protocol modifications rather than miners. As a result, anytime a new update or improvement to the Cardano blockchain is suggested, Cardano crypto holders vote with their ADA. Everyone who owns a cryptocurrency has a say in its growth in this way. In the future, ADA will be utilized to power the Cardano blockchain's smart contract platform. Developers will use ADA to develop safe, decentralized smart contracts and apps that operate on the Cardano blockchain. There would be no way to carry out these contracts without a native Cardano coin. Unlike other major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, Cardano has its EDIA wallet referred to as decentralized wallet. Users of the decentralized wallet get more than just a wallet. They also get to run a full blockchain node, providing them complete control over their funds and the power to ensure Cardano blockchain transparency. Decentralized is also the only wallet that allows EDIA holders to participate in the Cardano staking mechanism. Token holders can get incentives for either delegating EDIA or operating a staking pool within the decentralized wallet, since Cardano uses proof-of-stake blockchain technology, as previously explained. Cardano holders will be able to earn cryptocurrency while also supporting the network. Is Cardano a good investment? It is the first cryptocurrency in blockchain to be the scientifically justified approach. This indicates that, in comparison to other cryptocurrencies, it has a considerably higher chance of succeeding. However, it is still in development, and we can't rule out the possibility of the head start that other blockchains have. Cryptocurrency values are always fluctuating, and you never know which way they'll go. As a result, you must tread cautiously to ensure that you do not invest money in Cardano that you cannot afford to lose. Always pay attention to what experts have to say and keep up with the news. Don't put too much money in at once. Risk reduction is essential. Is Cardano legal? Cardano is legal in the United States, but whether Cardano is legal in other countries is ultimately a matter of national sovereignty. How do I protect myself? Protect yourself from scammers that view cryptocurrency as a way to scam investors. Buyers beware, as always. Beyond those issues, simply owning Cardano puts you in danger of theft as hackers attempt to break into the computer networks that keep your money safe. In 2014, a well-known exchange went bankrupt after hackers stole hundreds of millions of dollars in bitcoins. Those are not usual hazards associated with stock and mutual fund investments on major U.S. markets. How do I buy Cardano? To buy Cardano, you must first establish an account with a crypto exchange that supports the Cardano EDIA token. If you're buying EDIA as a long-term investment, you'll want to keep it safe by putting the private key in a wallet. Then it's time to exchange some USD into EDIA. Simply go to your exchange's Cardano EDIA page and make your acquisition. Coinbase is a well-known cryptocurrency exchange where you can open a wallet and buy and sell Cardano and other cryptocurrencies. Cardano is also available via an increasing number of online brokers, including eToro, Crypto.com, etc. The minimum transaction fees for EDIA can be calculated using the following formula: x plus y multiplied by size. In this equation, x is a unique constant, which is valued at 0.155381 EDIA. On the other hand, y is a particular constant whose value is 0.0000439446 EDIA per byte, and size is the size of the transaction in bytes. This means that every transaction will bear a fee of at least 0.155381 EDIA, along with an extra cost of 0.0000439446 EDIA per byte of transaction size. The transaction cost is subject to change because the project is currently in development. Aside from the network, you'll need to budget for commissions, fees, and expenditures connected with purchasing Cardano tokens and withdrawing funds from different cryptocurrency exchanges and trading platforms. Should you buy Cardano? I must first issue a disclaimer before answering this question. This is not financial advice because I am not a financial consultant. This is my own opinion, not financial advice. Before investing in any of the various cryptocurrencies available, please conduct your research and due diligence. This is created to help you easily understand the topic with our animated explanations. Only invest in Cardano if you feel it will outperform the market in the coming years or decades. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, so stay away from popular assets that promise big returns in the short term. Nobody knows if Cardano will succeed, but if you have trust in its long-term potential, be prepared to ride through the waves of volatility with your investments. Bitcoin's value has dropped by more than 80% in the past, and Ethereum's value has dropped by almost 95% on occasion. Cardano, or cryptocurrency in general, may not be the best investment for you if you're not okay with short-term volatility. Will Cardano become a widespread and mainstream form of currency in the future? Nobody can be certain. It has its benefits, but it remains very speculative at this time. It might be a good long-term investment if you believe in its potential. Otherwise, there are a plethora of alternative investment opportunities available. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please like and share. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.